Hey everybody, so today what we're going to do in this first video is a grocery haul. I need to run to the grocery store real quick, pick up some groceries, and then I will show y'all what I picked out and my ideas for dinner. And then later on today I will also be putting away clothes, and I kind of want to start undecorating my Halloween decor and put it away. That way I have a clean slate for when we start decorating for Christmas. I am so excited to finally be able to put this stuff away because I love this Halloween decor, but I just want to kind of remember what my house looks like without all this decor because I've had decor out since August, I think, is when I decorated for fall because I was just so ready for fall. Even though I had like almost a whole nother month before it got here. But now it's getting colder and I'm like, oh, I really want to undecorate for fall. So today we're probably going to undecorate the kitchen and we'll just see where the day takes us. So there's at least going to be 2 videos today. There may be 3 depending on how far I get through the day, and then we'll come back Monday and start doing more undecorating and all sorts of other stuff. I also have a Simply Earth kit that I got for the month of November, and I cannot wait to show y'all the DIYs that we can make out of that box because it's more of like a Christmas inspired box, so I think it's going to be so much fun. And y'all have requested that I make some DIYs with the essential oils and stuff like that I get in those boxes. So we're definitely going to be doing that on November 1st. So stay tuned for that. But without further ado, let's jump in to this grocery haul. I went to Food Lion. Alright, here's an overview of everything I got at the grocery store. And now I will show you what it is. But I do like to, let me come over here for a second. So this is my little grocery thing right here, if I can focus, and I write the grocery list as I lose something or have to, you know, throw something away, whatever. I will put it right here. That way I can just like work on the list as we need to replenish something. And then up here I just write out what we're gonna eat. So the meal plan for the next 3-4 days is normally how much I get. That way I'm not over buying stuff and then not using it, because I have been very bad about doing that. So now I'm just trying to go like every 3 days and replenish what we need. So tonight we're gonna have pizza. We're we go out to eat. We always try to go out to eat on Thursdays because it's not as busy as Friday. And then Friday we're gonna have Salisbury steak and mashed potatoes. Saturday we're gonna have bacon subs, and then Sunday we're gonna have like chicken nuggets or chicken fingers. We have a lot of like fried chicken stuff in the freezer with tater tots. So I have a lot more sub bread. We still have 4 rolls that we did not use last week. We did make the like Philly steak sandwiches, but we've already eaten all that, so we need to use up that bread. So here we go. I got on my list, I wanted to get some like Little Debbie's. Sorry, the floor's cracking. I wanted to get some Little Debbie's, so I ended up getting these instead. They are these cute little Halloween cupcakes. Erin loves cupcakes, so do I. And I thought, you know, I can wash the little picks and then I can keep the picks for another time. So I just got those. These will last us much longer than the little mini cupcakes that we normally get. And then the only other kind of cupcakes they had that were Halloween themed, you could only get 6, and I think this one is 12. So these should last twice as long, hopefully. I may eat one after I get done filming this. Okay, so I got that. That's our Debbie's for the week. I definitely spent more on this than I would have Little Debbie's, but that's okay. I only spent $60 for the next 3 or 4 days. Okay, I got some bacon for the subs, and then I also got some tomatoes on the vine for the sandwiches. Let's see, I've got some biscuits just in case for like a breakfast, because we'll probably only use half of this for the sub sandwiches, so we can use the other half to fix with the breakfast. But I also got these flaky cinnamon rolls in the buttercream icing because I thought that would be really good, and Pillsbury's biscuits are 2 for $4 right now. So I went ahead and got these just in case one morning, instead of having bacon biscuit, we can have this with some sausage and some bacon, just in case. I just got the plain biscuits in case Aaron does not want these, because he is somewhat of a picky eater. Okay, I got some broccoli salad, always. Got my coffee for today. Got a big pack of water. This was $1.68, I think. Their drinks in the bottles were 4 for $10, so that's when we got those. Got 2 diets and then 2 regular. Aaron likes the Dr. Pepper Mountain Dew, and I like Mountain Dew, Diet Mountain Dew, and Coke Zero, or Pepsi Zero, sorry. Alright, let's come over here. Did I say I got ranch? Ranch was just one of those replenishing items. We use it to dip our pizza in and our like potatoes. So I got mini tater tots to go with the chicken nuggets that we are going to do on Sunday. And then I got, some of these will be used for those bacon subs. I got this. They did not have the Salisbury patties, so I got the meatloaf slices, and then I got the mashed potatoes to go with that. And this will be for one night, and I'll just pair it with some like green beans or corn, and that we already have. And then the pizzas were 2 for $7, so $3.50 each. I got the for me. Aaron always loves this one. What movie is that? Oh, that's Addams Family too. Remember, I was telling y'all that I got these last time because they had the branding on them for Addams Family. I've seen the first one. I haven't seen the second one. I want to see it. And so I guess it's already out in theaters because it says October. But we do not go to the movies. I cannot go to the movies. It's too long, and I can't sit there for that long. Okay. Tombstone Pizza. This one's the everything pizza. More cheese. But I wanted to get this one. I'm so excited that they had it because they almost always never have the everything pizza. They always just have this one. Then I got Chloe's dog food. Isn't it so much quieter now that the air conditioner isn't on? I got Chloe's dog food right here, and then I got these peach tea drink mixes to go in my water. I've noticed under my eyelids it's getting puffy, and that's because I'm dehydrated, so I need to drink water, and the only way I can seem to drink water is if I put one of these in there. So, you know, it's better than not drinking any water at all. And then I just got a bag of chips to get a bag of chips, just for, you know, anytime if Aaron wants to snack on them, he can do so. So that's all I got, but I did want to tell y'all, I was pretty excited because when I got my receipt, it had the X's on it. So normally for Thanksgiving and for Christmas, if you go and you get like a acceptable purchase, I'm not really sure like if you have to spend a certain amount, but if you go to the grocery store like 4 or 5 times and you fill up the boxes, then that last receipt that has all the X's full, you can take with you to the grocery store and get $20 off. So far I've already X'd out 2 boxes, and it won't take me long to X out the rest, and then I can go when it's time for Thanksgiving and get $20 off of my order. So if you have a Food Lion but you don't shop there, I would try doing it just to get that $20 off for your like Thanksgiving and your Christmas dinners. That way they're not as expensive. But Also got coupons, finally coupons that I would use. Got a coupon for this, and then I got a coupon for these, so I'll be using those next time I go, because mashed potatoes and pizza we get every single time we go to the grocery store. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and yeah, let's just go ahead and do that now. Give y'all some grocery putting away cleaning motivation. Alright, so I got my groceries put away. I'm going to see y'all back here in a couple of hours. We're going to undecorate, well, maybe 3 hours. That's right, every 3 hours. Okay, we're gonna undecorate the kitchen. I'm going to pull out my red and black tablecloth just to cover up this table because it's got a lot of nicks on it. And I also have some clothes to put away. So we'll just see where the day takes us. It's already 12, so I don't know how many videos I'm gonna get out today, but this is the first one, and I will see y'all back here very soon for another one. Bye.